Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sanjay Pagar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas, KRTRs, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College Nasik. Dear student, this is our SOBS Geography class, semester 4, and title of our subject is Environmental Geography Part 2, and the paper code of this subject is GG241. Dear student, today in this lecture we are going to discuss our topic number 3, that is environmental conservation in India. In this topic we have a subtopic, that is forest conservation. Dear student, during last lecture we have discussed detailed information about Forest Conservation Act of 1980. For today's lecture we have study objective or learning objective, that is very simple, to discuss the forest conservation. Dear student, you know that the forest is a very important for human being. A forest is a large area dominated by trees. A dense growth of trees and shrub covering a large area is known as a forest. You know that student, the forest also play a very vital role in environmental protection, sometimes indirect or indirectly useful for keeps the ecological balance of the environment. The forests are being cut down by human beings on a large scale due to the various purposes, especially when human complete his various primary needs. That time he directly or indirectly use the forest on a large scale. Especially I am talking about the when human being would like to complete his food, shelter, and the cloth need. That time he use the forest on a large scale. And therefore, dear student, the deforestation is an important reason for decreased area under forest in our country. The rapid industrialization and increasing population has led to mass destruction of forests for commercial gain in India, and therefore, day by day, the area under forest is decreasing in India very rapidly. Therefore, dear student, the forest conservation is essential to maintain the quality and the balance of environment in our country. Dear student, let us talk about the forest conservation. You know that the forests are our lifeline. Forests are a great blessing of nature. As we know, the plants are very important for human being in our society. Dear student, you know that the forests play a very important role in preventing global warming and building sustainable society. And for that purpose, the implementation of the forest conservation is very important. India's forest area is hardly 23% and is short by nearly 10% of the world average. You know the student, if you want to keep the ecological balance of any area, that time at least 33% area of that region should be under forest, then it will be helpful for the maintain the ecological balance, the environmental balance of that area. But when we see the area under forest in India, we have hardly 23%. It means as per our expectation area, we have a 10% less. Therefore, there is a need to increase the area under forest in India is very important. Let us talk about the what is the forest conservation. The forest conservation is the practice of planning and maintaining the forested area for the benefits and the sustainability of the future generation. And for that purpose, really, we want to increase area under forest. Dear students, the forest conservation is a measures taken in order to save forests, to prevent from the deforestation and the other reason. And therefore, we don't have any option for if we want to keep ecological balance, environmental balance in India, then we have to protect whatever area we have under forest and also try to increase our area at least 33% of our total geographical area. And for that purpose, this forest conservation is very important. Dear student, let us talk about the remedial measure to conserve the forest resources in India. The first is very important, that is substitute for forest. Dear student, we want to search some way that we can use for the option for the woods to meet our increasing needs of the human being. It is a very essential to find some substitutes of the forest. Dear student, for the construction of the building, in place of timber you can use the iron and steel. That should be used. For the wood as a fuel, when we use that time, we should use another option for the fuel. Instead of fuel, instead of the wood, we can use the LPG cylinder or solar energy should be compulsory. And we have a lot of scope for the develop this type of the things. Even the our geographical condition is too much suitable for the use of solar energy and other non-renewable resources. Dear student, other renewable resources. So even the use of the LPG is increasing day by day, and if the government give more attention to give the LPG connection to each and every family of India, then definitely we can avoid the use of wood as a fuel in India. Another important measure that we have to do, that is afforestation. Dear students, yes, that is very important. The tree plantation is very important in India. If you want to increase area under forest, then afforestation is very important. Afforestation is the establishment of trees in our area where there was no previous trees. The more trees should be planted to increase the area under forest, or you can say the area, the forest cover. The trees should be selected according to geographical condition of a particular region, and the proper care should be taken during the growth of tree. That is very important. What's happened? We are planted more and more tree every year, but what is problem? These trees are not survival. Why it is not survival? The main reason is behind that. When we plant the tree, that time we don't think about the what is the geographical, what was the geographical condition of that area. If you do the as per the geographical condition, if you plant the tree that is suitable as per that climatic condition, soil and the other environmental condition, then definitely that trees can be survived. So therefore, there is a need to, when we plant the any new trees at any area, that time we should keep in our mind that that trees must be a survival as per their geographical condition. That we have to think while planting the new trees. This activity should be promoted on a large scale with the help of school, college, university, NGO, and the local government. Then definitely with cooperation of all these things, we can able to increase the area under forest. So definitely for that purpose, the initiative must be taken by the or we can say the government can take the initiative in this process, and definitely we can give the what you can say the encouragement to afforestation in our area. Dear student, another important, very important measure if you want to conduct the properly the forest conservation in India, that is creating the awareness in society. Yes, this is very important. People should be taught benefit that come with the having the tree in our area. Mean the use of the trees when you plant any area, that time definitely we get lot of benefit. That should be give the information about that thing to the society. Then definitely that is very useful for the in conducting the or the implementing the forest conservation process in India. The culture of the promoting and the planting trees should be cultivated in young ones. That is very important. Dear student, the various communication channels and the social media can be used to create the awareness about the forest conservation in our society. The most young people are using the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and email, and lot of things that are the part of the social media. If you want to reach and create the awareness in society, that time all these social media and the other things we have to use to create the awareness in our society. Especially I'm talking about the television, radio, the print media will also play an important role in create the awareness in more people about the planting and the protection of trees, and that is very important. So through this thing, we can able to create the awareness in society, and you can give the lot of information about how trees are our best friend, how trees are helpful to maintaining ecological and environmental balance. In this regard, the creating the awareness in society is very important. Let us talk about the another very important measure that we want to implement for the forest conservation in India: strategy, layout, and the role of government. Dear students, in order to increase the forest and the tree cover and improve the quality of existing forest, afforestation in our country is taken up under the various general sponsor schemes, such as the National Afforestation Program, Starting the of the goal and the evaluating the result is very important in achieving a forestation target. The stakeholder in the trees planning agenda should put in a place their target and the work toward the desired result. For that purpose, the stakeholders should work in the collaboration to achieve the target with our government. There should be also the milestone that include the program. Dear students, the tree plantation is one of the most ambitious initiative of the government of Maharashtra. With respect to this initiative, the Maharashtra government had launched a massive drive to increase the green cover across the state. Dear students, you know that as a part of initiative, the Maharashtra government decided to plant around 13 crore trees across the Maharashtra. Dear students, the Maharashtra Forest Department has initiated the Green Army. That is a very important concept, which is the body of dedicated volunteers to participate in the plantation, protection, and the activities in the forest, wildlife, and related the sector around the year. And dear students, each and every district of the Maharashtra have the Green Army. With help of this Green Army, we can able to increase and to protect the area under forest. And for that purpose, the role of government is very important, and even the public should be cooperate in this regard for the government of India and the government of Maharashtra. And then definitely we can able to increase area under forest in Maharashtra as well as in India. Another important measure, that is giving out the free seeds and the seedlings. That is also very important. Dear students, you know that the provisions of planting material is significant toward the desired afforestation goal, and therefore the government should be held in this regard to the public. The planting material can be given out with the free training on taking care of the trees, especially when they are young. And you know that student, in this regard, the school, college, university can play a very important role. But what is needed? The government should give free seeds and the seedlings to them. Then definitely it will be helpful for creating it will be helpful for the increase the area under forest. So therefore, government should take the proper steps toward these things. Another very important measure for the increasing the area under forest and create the awareness in the people, that is celebration of the International Day of the Forest on 21st March. Dear student, you know that 21st March is UN International Day of the Forest, which celebrated and reminds us the importance of the forest and the many benefits which we gain from the forest. Dear student, there are some simple tips that we can use at home or at work to reduce your impact and help to save forests. For example, go paperless. That is very important concept. Use the technology at the office, at home, at the bank by requesting electronic documents, bills, and so many things. Send email instead of the fax or the paper mail. Then definitely it will be helpful to use the paper in our various work, because you know that the paper we get from the forest, and for that purpose we destroy a lot of forest, and therefore also that is one important measure, that is one important reason of the deforestation in India. Therefore, go paperless is very important concept that we have to implement. Another important thing, printless. That is also very important. The first ask yourself if you really need to print that document. If the answer is no, then no need to print it out. So therefore, this is also very important. Another important thing, reuse paper. Dear student, this is a very important thing, and we can able to do this thing. That's very simple measure. By collecting the scrap paper and reusing it as a note paper is a great idea. By reducing our paper consumption at home, at work, or any other place, we are making a huge difference for our planet. Definitely, when we reuse the paper, then definitely we can save numbers of the trees. And for that purpose, these things are very important, and we can able to create the awareness for the all about this thing by celebrating the International Day of the Forest on 21st March. This is a very important thing. We have to cooperate for such program. Let's talk about the control over the forest fire. That is also important. You know that, student. The one important reason of decreasing area under forest is forest fire. That is the frequent event we observe all part of the world and even in India. So therefore, this is very important to control the forest fire. Destruction or the loss of the forest by fire is fairly common in India because trees are highly exposed to fire, and once started it become a difficult to control. Sometimes the fire start by natural process also, by lighting or the friction between the two trees during the speeding, and especially I'm talking about in the winter, in the summer season, that things are very common. So in order to save the forest from fire, it is necessary to adopt latest technique of firefighting. Dear students, there must be trained staff of the firefighter to control the fire. Most forest fires are due to the human negligence. That is also important. The human error might be there. So human error also responsible for some forest fire. Therefore, there should be the very careful behavior of the human being, and we always try to take care about the due to our behavior there should not be any fire forest. So therefore, that is very important if you want to protect the whatever area we have under the forest. Dear student, there are ways to prevent this from happening. Do not make open fires. Do not throw your cigarette on the ground. That can be cause for the forest fire. Maintain electricity wire properly. Have a proper equipment and the stop train to put out the forest fire. Therefore, you know that, student, short circuiting is an important reason for the forest fire also. Therefore, we can avoid it. We can do good what you can say the effort. Not there should not be any forest fire due to the human behavior. So that all things under our control, especially due to the human error, there should not be any fire for the forest fire. We can avoid it. For that purpose only, the careful behavior is very important. Dear student, thus by doing the control on the forest fire, we can able to protect our existing forest. Let us talk about another very important measure for the controlling implementing the forest conservation in India. Alternative for the shifting cultivation. Dear student, the shifting cultivation should be discouraged, and the tribal depending on this type of the cultivation should be provided with the alternative source of the livelihood. Student, that most part of the hilly area, if you're talking about the India, northeast part of the India, the shifting cultivation is a very common practice. So due to the shifting cultivation, there is a what you can say the deforestation happening in that area. So numbers of the area in India we have in such a where the shifting cultivation is very common practice. So therefore, we can avoid this practice by giving some option or alternative for the shifting cultivation for the tribal people. Dear student, for this alternative, the government should take leads to create other source of the employments in this activity dominated area that people can be survival in that area. Dear student, another important thing, control on the grazing. Yes, the grazing is also very important reason for destruction of forest in India. Control on the grazing is very important, particularly on the high mountain slope, since it causes for the deforestation. Dear student, there should be some alternative for the grazing activity in the forest. At least some part of the forest could be reserved for the grazing activity. Then we can able to avoid the destruction of the all the forest. Therefore, this is a very important option. We have to follow this thing. This can be minimize the intensity and the rate of deforestation in all part of the forest area in our India. Let us talk about another very important option, the measure that is very useful for the implementation the forest conservation process in India properly. That is role of government in the forest conservation. Dear student, very important option or the very important measure, that is the implementation of the Forest Conservation Act properly. The Forest Conservation Act we already discussed in our previous lecture, that should be implemented properly in India. Then definitely we can able to protect and prevent the forest on a large scale from the destruction. Dear student, therefore in this regard the duty of government is very important. The role of government is very important. there should be the forest survey must be conducted by the government of India and its agency, because we have to evaluate it. We can with help of this survey we can able to analyze which area is under forest and where we have option where we can able to plant more and more tree. For that purpose, survey of the forest is very important, and that should be carried out by the government of India and the local, if it's possible, and the state government also. They can do a good survey, and by this survey, whatever information they will collect, that will be very useful for the conservation of the forest and to afforestation or the planting the more and more tree in our India. Find out the area where the reforestation can be done. Just I mentioned that which area is suitable for plantation of the tree, that should be we can detect, we can find out with help of the survey. The plant tree as per the local climatic condition, soil and water, and the soil quality, that we already discussed. But again, in this regard, the role of government is very important. Government should be do some research or conduct some survey that can be useful and given the guideline for the people to plant a accurate tree in that climatical condition. The administrative setting for the forest management with the proper planning is also important. The training program for the person engaged in the forest conservation activity, that should be conducted by the government of India. Encourage the forest developmental activity like social forestry and agroforestry is very important. Both these activities are very important. Especially I am talking about in the area of the tribal people. In that area, the agroforestry can be worked very good, and the social forestry can be implemented in other part of the India. Both this program is very important when we are talking about the protection of the trees and the increase the area under forest. Definitely such type of the activity are very important. Government should be encouragement to such activity in India and implement them properly. That is very important. Dear student, another important thing, the paper master plan both for the long term and short period is very important. That definitely will useful for the conservation of the forest. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about the forest conservation. In next lecture, we are going to discuss conservation, that's energy conservation in India. Okay, thank you.